What color best represents your journey from being young and inexperienced to mature and successful? Just like banana ripens into an ideal ingredient for a delicious banana bread. In the hard, lush, vibrant jungle, a banana began its life, green, firm, and untouched by the elements, just like us at the start of our journey. It is filled with potential, but still guarded. As time passes, under the sun's nurturing gaze and the rain's gentle touch, the banana begins to change. Its green skin yields to yellow, signifying maturity. We too undergo changes, facing life experiences that soften our exteriors, inviting us to open to the world, changing our colors. But the journey doesn't end at yellow. True value comes when the skin starts to speckle with brown. Through often misunderstood, this phase signifies the banana's peak sweetness, its essence rich and full of flavor. The dark spots in the skin aren't signs of defeat, but indicators of its sugary heart developed over time. And it is here, at this exact point, where a banana bread can be created. Green or yellow bananas are not mature enough for this dish. Only very ripe bananas can create it. Only time can develop this level of sweetness required for this bread. This essence of our journey reflects on all of us as well. Just like the banana, we bear the marks of time. Our exteriors darkened by life trials and leave scars in our souls. Yet, it's precisely these marks that signify our richness, the sweetness cultivated within through growth, an experience that prepares us to evolve and transform our lives, just like a recipe. This story isn't just about a fruit. It is about all of us becoming richer in essence as we mature, as we embrace the darkness to reveal the sweetness. And if some help is needed in this journey called life, welcome it. Just like chocolate chips for this banana bread. Do you want a bite?